Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Freelander 2 TD4e, so the economy version, which I think has got start-stop, XS manual, Alveston red metallic red anyway, 73,000 miles, 9 services, just serviced. Lovely car, 2 owners, 2 keys, low mileage, light grey leather and cloth interior, which is also super clean. Bodywork on this car, immaculate. 4 recent Dunlop winter tyres, lovely. So great history, 2 owners, 73,000 miles, £6,695 with a tow bar and a load cover and sat nav and electric seats and heated seats. Beautiful example. Rear park sensors, tow bar with twin electrics. As I say, Dunlop winter sport tyres, tons of tread, front and rear. Front parks, headlamp washers, front park sensors. I'm really a fan of this grey leather and cloth trim, really bright, really clean, comfortable. Just makes the inside of the car look light and airy, I think. Multifunction steering with cruise, and this has got Bluetooth, sat nav, heated seats, 6-speed manual, diesel, 9 services, 73,000 miles. Wow. Lovely clean car. As I say, tow bar, rear park sensors. In the boot is the load cover, all nice and clean in there. Load cover's not tatty or knocked about. I can't see a dent or a scratch really. There's a little couple of marks in the paintwork on the tailgate, but the rest of the car, front, sides, immaculate. Lovely, plenty of tread on that tyre, all matching Dunlop winter sports, super clean, drives like a new car, Alpine HiFi, folding mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, front fog lamps, electric seats, heated seats, cruise control, Bluetooth, 73,465 miles. There's the nav, there's the Bluetooth, there's the heated seats. Look at that driver's seat, super clean, not worn out, electric seats as well. £6,695. Beautiful Freelander there. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and you can also watch nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.